Steelmama is an influential roll-forming machine supplier in China. This video shows the production process of high-quality trapezoidal roll-forming machine. Feeding uncoiler is used to keep the steel coil standing and uncoiling to ensure stable operation. This machine works extremely efficiently, can reduce its manufacturing costs, and shortens lead times. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.